Today's video is sponsored by my self-haircut course. It's your man Alex, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a specific scenario that one of my subscribers has regarding going to a barbershop. So this subscriber in particular pays $45 per week by going to a barber. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much money he is losing by going to the barbershop every single week, paying them $45 per haircut, and how much money he's gonna be losing per year versus how much money he can actually be saving if he were to just cut his own hair at home. So with all that being said, let me jump on the computer right now and show you guys the stats of how this works. So I tried to gather a little bit of information from this subscriber, but I wasn't able to reach him. So I'm just going to assume that he is an average American making roughly $20 per hour or right around $40,000 per year. And as you guys can see on screen here, your time is valued at roughly $20 per hour, which is the average in the USA. So to start things off, I'm going to be breaking it down first by going to the barbershop, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the stats of cutting your own hair at home. So the first expense that you will have is of course paying for gas and tolls if you have to jump on the highway to go to the barbershop, right? When you need to go get your hair cut, you need to get into your car, you need to start driving to the barbershop, right? That takes effort, that takes time, that takes money, right? You have to pay for gas, you gotta pay for tolls if you have to jump onto the highway, because let's say you like a specific barber 20 minutes away because he's better than all of your local barbers. So get in your car, drive on the highway, and boom, you're at the barbershop. So let's say it takes roughly 15 minutes to go to the barbershop, right? It takes 15 minutes to get to the barbershop, takes 15 minutes to go back from the barbershop. And so when you divide this in terms of time, right? 30 minutes of your time equals half of your hourly wage, which is $10. So with the gas, tolls, and driving so far, you're rallied up to $15. Now the next thing, waiting, which roughly takes about 30 minutes, also adds another $10 to your tally, right? We all know, going to the barbershop, the second you walk through those doors, you're not jumping directly in the next chair because majority of the time they're either busy or there's not enough barbers working. So you're going to have to sit in the waiting room at the chair reading a newspaper or on TikTok or Instagram, waiting for roughly 30 minutes before the barber is ready, and then they can call you up to the chair to start the haircut. So again, you're waiting for roughly 30 minutes, which again is half of your hourly wage, which would equal $10. So again, you like to drive roughly 15 minutes to a solid barber who takes his time, who really appreciates the detail work in a haircut. So this barber is not one that can finish really quickly within 30-45 minutes. This barber takes his time and he does a really good job. So this barber takes roughly 60 minutes to cut your hair, as most barbers will take roughly 60 minutes to do a good job if they're taking their time and focusing on all of the details. So with that being said, 60 minutes for the haircut is equivalent to 1 hour of your work, which is $20 per hour. And then on top of that, like I said, my subscriber pays $45 per week for his haircut, right? After getting the haircut, you have to pay the barber, plus you have to tip the barber, which is 10 to 20%. So you're looking at $45 for the haircut and then $5, let's say on the low end, for a tip. So to add all of this up, going to the barbershop, each haircut will cost you 2 hours of your time, which equals $40, and you will end up spending physical cash in the amount of $55. So in total, from the time and money that you spent going to the barbershop paying $45 per week, you might think you're spending $45 and that's it, but when you add up the time and all of the other expenses, that haircut costs you $95. $95 for a haircut. Now I know in some states barbers charge that for a haircut alone, so you don't even have to add up all of the other things, which is your time, gas, tolls, and so forth, waiting. $95 per haircut. Let's just keep that in the back of our head for now. So let's jump on over to cutting your own hair, right? Cutting your own hair is free, right? It's a skill set that you learn. It's not incredibly difficult, and if you have me there to teach you through either my YouTube channel or by joining the self-haircut course, you're going to learn very, very quickly how to cut your own hair to start saving money. So again, cutting your own hair, what does that entail in terms of dollars and time? So we go through gas, $0, tolls, $0, driving, $0, right? So there's no gas, no tolls, no driving, right? You're not wasting time driving and you're not spending money on gas and tolls. So boom, $0. Waiting, right? Last time I checked, there's no waiting room to get into the bathroom to cut your hair. So there's no waiting involved whatsoever if you need to cut your own hair. All you have to do is grab your tools, set up the mirror, and boom, you're ready to start cutting your hair in less than 30 seconds. So then you go over haircut. Let's say it takes you 60 minutes for the haircut with the cleanup, right? I can cut my hair in less than 30 minutes. Easy. And I'm talking easy. You guys have seen it on my channel. I've done multiple 10-minute challenges and I think 25 minutes for another one that was like a full-length video. So it's very, very easy to cut your hair under 30 minutes. But again, if you want to take your time, you want to put in that extra detail work, you want to add up the cleanup time, which is like 5 minutes or so, then boom, you're at 1 hour or 60 minutes to cut your hair. That 60 minutes is still equal to $20, which of course is your $20 per hour average wage. Then the last thing on the list here is the haircut plus tip, right? You're not paying yourself for a haircut and you're not tipping yourself for cutting your own hair, so it's $0. Before we continue with the video, I want to thank today's sponsor, my Self-Haircut course. My goal with this course is to help you learn a lifelong skill set that will keep your money in your pocket and save you hours of your time every self-haircut by not having to drive to and from a barbershop and pay for an inflated price plus the tip. Take advantage of my Self-Haircut course, which provides you weekly one-on-one private coaching calls, live streamed interactive self-haircut tutorials, a private community group chat, and over 60 high-quality videos on the Teachable platform. To start saving your time and money by learning how to cut your own hair, click on the first link in the description to start today. Thank you, Self-Haircut course, for sponsoring this video. So to add things up now, each haircut costs you 1 hour of your time, which equals $20. And the amount of money that you spend is $0 because you don't have to pay anybody and you're also not paying for gas and tolls. So the total time and the total money that you end up spending by cutting your own hair only adds up to $20 per haircut, which equals what? 1 hour of your time, which is $20 per hour. So to sum everything up for my subscriber, if you're watching this, and you pay $45 per week, this is exactly how much money you are losing by going to the barbershop every single year, and it's also how much money you could be saving by cutting your own hair at home instead of going to the barbershop. You ready for this? And the numbers I'm going to be saying are all tax-free dollars. You end up saving about 1 hour of your time by not going to the barbershop, which equals $20 of your time. You also end up saving $95, which is the total cost of getting a haircut at a barbershop, minus the $20, which is the total cost of you cutting your hair. 95 minus $20 equals $75 per haircut. That's the total dollar amount that you are saving by cutting your own hair, or the total amount of dollars that you are losing by not cutting your hair. So in total, you're spending $75 every time you get a haircut, which means if you decide to cut your own hair, you save $75 every week that you cut your hair. So if you do the math, there are 52 weeks in a year that you can cut your hair. 52 weeks times $75 per haircut equals a whopping $3,900 per year that you can save by cutting your own hair instead of going to the barbershop. And again, all of that money is tax-free money. The government can't walk into your house and tax you on dollars that are kept within your wallet, within your credit card, within your debit card, right? They can only tax you on dollars that leave your wallet or that come into your wallet, right? On earned income or dollars that you've spent. So this $3,000, nearly $4,000 that you have now saved by cutting your own hair is tax-free money. You can use that money to either buy some nice things, travel across the country, or travel abroad to Europe or Asia, wherever you want to go, or you can use this money, throw it into a savings account for a year, 2 years, and use that money for a down payment to buy a car, a nice car, or a property. So all in all, $4,000 this subscriber of mine is paying by going to the barbershop and getting a haircut. It's very, very simple math. And you guys, I'm telling you, if you are one of those people as well that pays $45 or so roughly per week for a haircut, this is how much money you are losing by going to a barbershop and paying a barber to cut your hair. The entire $3,900 you could be saving tax-free in your wallet and use that money for investing or whatever you want to use it for tax-free. So now that I've kind of opened your eyes a little bit on why it's so critical, and this is why I'm so passionate about teaching you guys how to cut your own hair, right? I'm not some YouTuber that's just out here entertaining for mindless entertainment reasons, right? I'm actually out here trying to teach you guys something that's valuable and can save you thousands of dollars per year. This is why I'm very passionate about what I do here in teaching self-haircuts. So if you were given the opportunity to learn how to cut your own hair, to save nearly $4,000 per year, would you make the investment to start cutting your own hair? Now again, you don't need to pay me to join the self-haircut course. You don't necessarily need to do a one-on-one coaching call with me either. Both of them are linked in the description down below. If you think you've got what it takes to just watch my YouTube videos alone, maybe watch some other barber channels as well, to learn how to cut your own hair and do it in a way that you can actually reach the point where you can save $3,900 per year and not have to go to the barber here and there to fix up your haircut, then by all means, you can watch everything for free. It's there for a reason. But if you feel like you need much more personalized help, 24/7 support, one-on-one live coaching calls, live self-haircut tutorials, everything you can possibly think about when it comes to how can I learn how to cut my own hair, the self-haircut course is the best way to go about it. It's the #1 school in the entire world on how to cut your own hair from the comfort of your home to save dollars like this, $3,900 per year, if you are someone that needs to get or wants your haircut every single week. So you guys, with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope you found value in today's video as well, because these numbers are substantial. And again, this is all tax-free dollars that you can save. And I don't think people understand that saving money is really just as important as making money because it's tax-free. That's a big thing that I'm saying right there, tax-free. The goal is to pay as little taxes as possible. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like and share it with a friend. Also, if you are brand new to my YouTube channel, definitely click on the subscribe button down below to get more videos like this, and also watch new videos, new self-haircuts and so forth every single week, Saturday, roughly around 9 a.m. Eastern time. And don't forget again, check out the self-haircut course and check out the links in the description down below to check out the other services that I offer. But you guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Peace!